How to share a WhatsApp group link without admin. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a WhatsApp group link even if you're not the admin. This is a super useful trick if you want to invite others to a group but don't have admin access. Before sharing a group link, make sure the group settings allow it. Some groups have restricted link sharing. Just what you need to do is simply open WhatsApp and simply go to the group chat. Tap on the group chat or group name at the top, scroll down and check if the invite via link option is enabled. If you can see the link option, you can share it even if you're not the admin. You can simply tap on copy link or simply share link, and you can simply send to the person that you want to invite to. Now, if you can't find the link, you can ask another non-admin group member who has access to copy and send it to you. That way, you can simply send it to the person whom you want to add. And that's it. Now you know how to share a WhatsApp group link even if you're not the admin.